Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a collaboration. I'm participating in a collab hosted by the lovely Kimberly Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. She is hosting the Spring Clean with Me series. Right here, I'm just giving you an overview of my guest bathroom. This is not a very big bathroom, guys, but I wanted to get under the sink really clean because it has gotten so cluttered. So I decided to clean this area in my home and get it organized. I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you go to other participants and show them lots of love. Also, make sure you definitely go by Kimberly Designing on a Dime and show her love. I will have all of the links to the playlist and to Kimberly's channel in the description box below. So like I said, I'm just giving you an overview of how the bathroom looks. So now this is how under the sink looks, guys. It has accumulated so much stuff. I have thrown I don't know how many shampoos and conditioner bottles in there. My daughter uses this bathroom when she comes home. As you see, I have all type of hair products and toothpaste and other items under this sink, but I'm going to get it clean today. So without further ado, we're going to jump into the video, and I have my trusty cleaning caddy there, and we are going to get started, guys. My bathroom is nice and clean and spotless and ready to be decorated, guys. This is the completed look. I really like how everything came out. I didn't do too much to the bathroom, guys, and I used items that I already have in my home. Later on, I am going to revamp this bathroom. I'm going to do some updates to it, but for right now, I just wanted to get it really clean and organized. Get under that sink clean. Just give it a really good cleaning. I will be coming back later in another video and doing some updates to the bathroom. I just put down this rug here, and I'm gonna let you guys see under the sink and how I got everything organized. I used that tray that I got from Ross, and they still have these. I have gone in Ross numerous times, and they always have these in Ross. And I just, cleared out all that unnecessary shampoo and stuff, and just kept some essential items that I need. And on the bottom shelf, you'll see the curlers and a blow dryer. And on the other side, you'll see some of my cleaning products and other necessities that I need to keep this bathroom clean and in order. And like I said, I just cleared all that unnecessary stuff out. In this drawer, I have some extra toothbrushes for adults and for my grandkids, and some combs and some hair essentials in this drawer here. So like you see, I really cleaned out a lot of stuff. We are always amazed at all the junk we accumulated. On that tray, I just placed a simple flower arrangement and some other little decor. I placed a candle on top of the toilet there. And yeah, guys, that it is about it. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to go over to the other ladies' channel and show them some love. Make sure you go over to Kimberly's channel, the host of this collab at Diva Designing on a Dime, and show her love also. And all the information will be in the description box below. Bye, guys.